Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use public bank online banking. First, you will need to register for an account. You can do this easily using your ATM card or credit card. Next, create a unique username and a strong password to ensure your account's safety. Remember to also set up your personalized security image and phrase. This helps verify your identity every time you log in, adding an extra layer of protection to your online banking experience. Once logged in, you can access many convenient features. You can effortlessly view all your account balances and review your transaction history for the past 12 months. Transferring funds is simple, whether it's to another public bank account or an interbank transfer to a different bank. Plus, paying your bills for utilities, credit cards, and other services is quick and straightforward, saving you valuable time and effort. Your security is paramount when banking online. Always ensure you are using a secure and private internet connection, avoiding public Wi-Fi for sensitive transactions. Never share your username, password, or any other login credentials with anyone, even if they claim to be from the bank. Public bank employs robust security measures, including two-factor authentication, to protect your accounts and personal information from unauthorized access. To ensure a smooth and hassle-free online banking experience, here are a few helpful tips. Always keep your contact information, such as your phone number and email, updated with the bank. Consider downloading the official public bank mobile app for convenient banking on the go, available for both Apple and Android devices. If you ever encounter any issues or need assistance, do not hesitate to contact their dedicated customer service team.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.